Today I'll be showing you guys how fast Saints Row 4 can go by. I was like, wow, that's insane. I know, there's a cheat. And I'll put it in the description below if you guys want to go check out my cheat. The cheat, this is the shit. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. See? And now this isn't even go by fast. See that? Let's go, boy. Look at that. See how fast I can move, right? I don't know, look how slow it is. See? This is what it is. Hey, look at the cheat. It's this. Look. Read it. Look what it says. Fast forward. That's the cheat. It's called fast forward. That's the cheat. Like, subscribe, comment for more cheats and that stuff and epic gameplay. Bye.